Welcome to the shop, where today we're upgrading the tie rods on my 05 Grizzly 660 to the Quadboss HD replacements. They're part number 413580. I've went ahead and I've got the Grizzly jacked up, so let's go ahead and get this wheel off and let's go ahead and get started. Now with the wheel off, the first thing you want to do is find your castle nuts and your carter keys. You want to take these carter keys, straighten them out. Once you get them straight, it may require a set of pliers or something, but now mine's straightened out pretty easy. Then you can take this castle nut off. Then you're going to do the same thing on the inner. Straighten the carter key, pull it out. With a few taps, it should pop loose. With the inner loose, you knock the outer loose. Now, with your old one off, you're going to go ahead and get out one of your right hand and one of your left hand tie rods. They've already got the jam nuts on them, so you can just go ahead and just start them. Next, you want to take a measuring tape. You want to measure your old tie rod ends from the center of your tie rod end to the center of the tie rod end on the other end. Center to center, mine measures about 16 inches. I'm not going to lock my jam nuts just yet. I'm going to wait until I get it installed, and then once everything looks good, once I check my alignment and everything looks good, I'll go back over, I'll lock all my jam nuts down. You can kind of see the difference there between the tie rod upgrade kit from Quadboss and the stock Yamaha unit. The Quadboss tie rod itself is a lot larger in diameter, and the tie rod ends, see how small them threads are? The Quadboss tie rod end has a lot larger thread on it, so it's going to be stronger. It ain't going to bend as easy. And I have bent these before, and it ain't a fun ride when you lose control, especially if you're going very fast. That's the reason I like these heavy duty units. But anyway, let's put this thing on. This will go on the same way the old can come off, except a little bit easier. You just slide it in the hole and put your castle nut on it. And the same way for the outer. Put your new castle nut on. Castle nut tight, there should be a hole that lines up where you can slide your new carter key and just bend him over. With that done, we can go ahead and put our wheel on. We've got this side done. We can go ahead and put the other side on. It's the exact same way. Then we can check our alignment, make any adjustments if necessary. Don't forget to torque your lug nuts. But anyway, that's it for today, and we'll see you out on the trails.